Let's talk about door system in twinmotion. It's very interesting. Going to the object and then doors. We have two kind of doors: rotating door and sliding door. In a rotating door, you can insert any of the doors here. It's very interesting. You can rotate it. And now you can see we have a circle that is in trigger mode. If you go to the settings, we have a lots of setting here. Doors. From here, you can directly change the door. You don't need to click and drag another door here. Nice. Oh, sorry. Main. From handle, you can change the handle. If you see, if the camera, the pedestrian, the character, anything that you goes in the trigger, the door will be open for it. We have details, opening style, opening style. In opening style, behavior, yes, behavior. We have lots of setting here. You can close it, close everything. Close. Now, from the main, you can change the handle, any handle that you want. You can change the handle of the door here. Interesting. Any handle that you want. And then you can change the casing here. Can change anything that you want. Interesting. Then if we go out of this circle that is in trigger mode, the door will be closed. You can change the width and the height of the door. Interesting. Okay, main, close it. Oh, main, we have to open. In the detail, you can talk about the hinges. Close it and open it again. Let's close the door. We have to go to opening style. In the behavior, you can make it always closed. Boom. And yeah, here are hinges. We can see now the hinges. Going back to detail, and you can turn on or turn off the hinges. You can change the widths and the heights of the casing, the thickness of that, the thickness of the door. In a framing, the framing will turn off because it shows in a sliding door. I explain it more. Opening style, it means it's open in the right hand or in the left hand. Behavior, make it trigger. It's open in the left hand or right hand, inward or outward. Nice. The angle of the open, it's not any degree that you want, more open or less. Okay. Any angle that you want. Behavior means trigger. It means make it detail. You can change the trigger radius if the radius is higher. If we close at the far from the door, it will open. Nice. If the camera, if the character pass, or if the custom pass will be through that. This is camera, and we have simple character pass. We cross the character pass from here and right click. And as you can see, the character close the door, close to the door, and the door will be open. Or camera. You can change the trigger. Select the door. You can change the trigger radius or which type of the object do you want to open. Okay, we delete that. Delay, it means in 1 second. If you go to the trigger, it takes 1 second to the door open. You can change the delay at 0. Okay, that's it. It's very easy. And let's talk about the sliding door. Go to the door, sliding door, and bring this sliding door here. Now it hasn't also triggered. As you can see, it's slide. It has a little bit different setting. You can change the width and height. Yeah, the framing. Now we have a framing. You can change all of the settings of the door. You can explore them and see what they are. Opening style. In opening style, you can slide to open. You can tell the left or right open or both of them. Okay. Inward or outward, it does not mean here, but it's flip the door. The position of the door, how much do you want to open? Complete or at the half of it? You can choose how much position this part go. Behavior, trigger, open, close, detail, trigger radius, trigger type, delay, and that's it. The door system is very easy. You can explore all of these doors and replace them in here. Okay, these are all of the settings. Casing of the door, you can put a different casing, different handle. You can see different handle, interesting, and a different sliding door, completely different. Okay, this is door system or twinmotion. It's easy.